Finding the roots of a quadratic equation. To any quadratic equation, we are having two roots because the degree is 2. Here, for any quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As it is having degree 2, we are having two roots. One is alpha, another one is beta. Okay. So here it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A will be x power 2 coefficient, b will be x coefficient, c will be constant. So here we are having a value 1. So a is the number just before x power 2. What is b? Number just before the x. So 7. C will be 12. Now multiply AC. Multiply AC. So on multiplication 1 into 12 we are getting 12. That is positive 12. So I am writing 12 factors here. 12 is equal to, we can write 1 12 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. Similarly, we can get 4 3 ja, 6 2 ja, 12 1 ja. Okay. Now on multiplication we are getting positive, means both of these two 1 and 12 may be having either positive or negative. So here we have to come to the b value. If it is positive, if b is positive, both the factors are positive. If it is negative, both the factors are negative. Here b value positive na, b value positive. Therefore positive 1, positive 12, positive, 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 positive. I repeat once again. Here on multiplication of two factors we are getting positive. So positive 12 means both of these two factors may be having either positive or negative. Here to decide the symbol we have to come to the b. If it is positive, both the factors are positive. Okay. Now addition of which pair we are going to get the value 7. So here 1 plus 12, that is 13. Now 6 plus 2, 8. No. 3 plus 4, it is equal to b. So we are choosing 3 and 4. Now coming to the question, x square. For 7 I am writing 3x plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Now x power 2 x. So when you common 1x, x power 2 become x. Already we have taken x as common, so we are left out with the 3. 4 12. 4 can divide 12 for 3 times. Okay. So 4 divides 4 for 1 time plus 4 divides 12 for 3 times. One thing is very clear, that in both of these two brackets we should have the same term, x plus 3, x plus 3. Okay. It should be taken out as common. Therefore, okay, x plus 3 into x plus 4. Now 0 will be applicable to x plus 3 and also 0 will be applicable to x plus 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to minus 3. Okay. That is the basic model. Now coming to the one more question. Here a value 1, b value minus 7, c value 12. Okay, now multiply AC. Okay, 1 into 12. So both the A and C are positive, therefore we are having positive 12. So 12 is equal to, once again, factors of 12 are 1 12 ja, 2 6 ja, and 3 4 ja. Now on multiplication we are getting positive, means both of these two are having either positive or negative. Now come to the B. If it is positive, both the factors are positive. If it is negative, both the factors are negative. Here B is negative na, therefore negative, 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 negative 3, negative 4. Now on addition of which pair, we have to get that B value. So minus 1 minus 12, so it is equal to minus 13. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 minus 3 minus 4, it is equal to our B value, that is minus 7. So we are writing x square. For minus 7 I am writing minus 3x minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. From here we can common. From here we can common. We can common what? The common number or common term x. From x power 2 we are taking x power 1. So it will become x minus. Already from 3 into x, x is already gone. Therefore we are left out with the only 3. So here whatever the term in bracket, we should be having the same term in the bracket, x minus 3. But here x coefficient is negative, 12 is positive. But in the bracket the constant became negative and x coefficient became positive. So signs are changed. So we get the signs change whenever we take some negative common. Okay na? When you take negative term as common, so when you take negative as common, so negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative. So 4 12 na, so common 4. So 4 divides 4 for 1 time, 4 divides 12 for 3 times is equal to 0. Similarly we are having x minus 3, x minus 3. Okay, so left out term will be x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4. It is the model number 2. Now model number 3. Okay, similarly here a value 1, b value 1, c value minus 12. Once again multiply a into c. Okay, 1 into minus 12 minus 12, plus into minus minus. Okay, so minus 12. So write the factors. 1 12 ja, 2 6 ja, 3 4 ja. Okay, so here on multiplication we are getting negative. So on multiplication we are getting negative means, okay, either of these two, means either 1 may be negative or 12 may be. Similarly either 2 or 6, either 3 or 4. Now to decide which factor is negative, come to the b. If b is positive, highest term will be positive. So b negative, highest will be negative. Now here we are having b is positive, so highest positive, therefore it is negative. B is positive, highest will be positive, least will be negative. So b positive, highest will be positive, least will be negative. Now once again add every pair to get the b value. Minus 1 plus 12 is equal to 11. So it is not possible. Minus 2 plus 6, 4, not possible. Minus 3 plus 4, we are getting the b value 1. Okay, now x square for 1x. Okay, here we are having one is negative term, another one is positive. So whenever we are having one is negative, one is positive, choose the negative one at first for the easy simplification. Okay, so whenever we are having one term is or one factor is positive, another one is negative, choose the negative term at the first. So minus 3x plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so we can common x, therefore x minus 3. So 4 12 na, so positive 4, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 common, so x minus 3, x minus 3 common, so we are left out with the x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 4. Okay, it is the model number 3. Now coming to the last one. Here a value 1, b value minus 1, c value minus 12. Okay, on multiplication we are getting once again minus 12. So write the factors of 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Okay, now here coming to the symbol. Here on multiplication we are getting negative means, okay, either of these two means either 1 may be negative or 12 may be negative. Okay, similarly either 2 or 6, either 3 or 4. Now to choose or to decide which one is negative, come to the b value. If it is negative, highest value will be negative, therefore least will be positive. B value is negative, highest will be negative, so least will be positive. B value negative, so highest will be negative, B value will be positive. Now on addition of these numbers we should get the B value. So 1 minus 12, so minus 11, so not possible. So minus 4, no, minus 1. Okay, we are getting the B. Now coming to the question. So x square, okay, out of these two terms we are having one is negative, another one is positive. So whenever we are having one term is negative, another one is positive, we have to go with the negative only. Okay, we are choosing the negative factor, next positive factor. So you can common x. From x power 2, when you common x, we are left out with the x minus, already x is gone, so 4. Now 3 can divide 3 and also 12. So when you take 3 as common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So in both the cases here, x minus 4, x minus 4 common. So we are left out with the x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 4 is equal to 0. Similarly x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 4. So practice all these, you may be or you will easily get clarity upon the symbols. Okay.